Can you solve all these Class 1 English Chapter 9 clouds questions? Cirrus clouds are strong choice. Made by ice crystals is right. Stratus clouds are excellent. The lowest clouds is well reasoned. High feathery clouds. Nice work. Cirrus clouds fits perfectly. What is water vapor? Great job. Water in gas form is accurate. To stand still means correct response. Not to move is accurate. What are clouds made of? Excellent choice. Water is right. All clouds are the same. Perfect. False is the one. Evaporation happens when? Sharp thinking. Water gains thermal energy is right. Condensation happens when? Good job. Water loses thermal energy works well. Which has higher pressure? Clear logic. Cool air is sound. A bright flash in the sky. Correct. Lightning is spot on. Fog is what type of cloud? Exactly. Stratus makes sense. What is solid water called? Well reasoned. Ice is correct. Clouds look soft and plump. You got it. Puffy fits. What day of the week is it? Solid response. Monday is valid. Blue Hill is called to whom? Smart move. Sky is accurate answer. Having a large amount of wind? Well done. Windy is right. Water vapor condenses to form. Nicely done. Clouds is solid. Where are cirrus clouds found? Good thinking. High in the sky is right. Low pressure systems cause dash. Smart pick. Cloudy conditions is correct. How many cloud types are there? Bravo is the answer. What happens when the wind blows? You're right. The clouds move slow is correct. Another word for air is dash. Right again. Wind is valid. Clouds that produce rain or snow. Great thinking. Nimbus clouds is right. High pressure systems bring dash. Right choice. Sunny weather is best. Which cloud brings nice weather? You chose cumulus? Correct. Fluffy, cauliflower-shaped clouds. Valid point. Cumulus clouds is true. Where are the clouds in the poem? Nice selection. In the sky is correct. The clouds in the poem are the dash. On track. White and fluffy is correct. Which best describes a cirrus cloud? Well picked. Wispy is correct. What are the mid-level clouds called? Solid response. Alto is. Which type of cloud is thin and wispy? Strong choice. Cirrus is right. When clouds bring rain, snow and wind. Right choice. Storm is best. What is not part of the 4 cloud types? Nice work. Puffy clouds fits perfectly. Which term best describes water vapor? You got it. Just fits. The sky looked like a dash to the child. Perfect. Blue Hill is the one. When a cloud forms close to the ground. Excellent. Fog is well reasoned. Select the rhyming words from the poem. Well reasoned. Hill and still is correct. Select the word that rhyme with sheep. Bravo. Peep is the answer. Clouds that look like cotton are called. You're right. Cumulus is correct. Which cloud indicates a storm is coming? Good thinking. Cumulonimbus is right. What are cirrus clouds made up of mostly? Great job. Ice crystals is accurate. Which type of cloud is highest in the sky? Sharp thinking. Cirrus is right. White sheep is called to whom in the poem? On track, clouds is correct. A loud noise or rumble from thunder clouds. Clear logic. Thunder is sound. Clouds that form near the ground are called. Well done. Tooth is right. Clouds that form in flat layers are known as. Nicely done. Stratus is solid. What two factors are needed to measure wind? You chose direction and speed. Correct? The water cycle is driven caused by the dash. Valid point. Sun is true. What stage of the water cycle do clouds form? Exactly. Condensation makes sense. The conditions outside that come from clouds. Good job. Weather works well. An anemometer measures which of the following? Right again. Wind speed is valid. When are you most likely to see cumulus clouds? Correct. On a sunny day is spot on. Which cloud would you see during a steady rain? Excellent choice. Nimbostratus is right. What is the genre of this guidebook on clouds? Smart move. Nonfiction is accurate answer. A low level that look like flat sheets of clouds. Smart pick. Stratus clouds is correct. A scientist that studies the weather and clouds. Nice selection. Meteorologist is correct. The cloud that has a flat bottom and a puffy top. Great thinking. Cumulus is right. They are low in the sky and look soft and fluffy. Well picked. Cumulus is correct. White puffs in the sky made of water drops and dust. Correct response. Clouds is accurate. When a cloud is dark gray, it tells us it might rain. Perfect. True is the one. Which type of cloud is formed mostly of ice crystals? Valid point. Cirrus is true. Which cloud would you see on a nice, fair, sunny day? Sharp thinking. Cumulus is right. Looking at clouds can tell us more about the weather. Exactly. True makes sense. Which of the following is not a type of precipitation? Great job. Humidity is accurate. During which part of the water cycle does a cloud form? Correct. Condensation is spot on. Puffy white clouds associated with good weather are dash. Well reasoned. Cumulus clouds is correct. Which instrument is used to record average precipitation? Nice work. Rain gauge fits perfectly. Clouds are classified by altitude and precipitation types. Solid response. True is valid. The only cloud that can produce thunder, lightning, and hail. Right again. Cumulonimbus is valid. True or false, cirrus clouds often produce rain or drizzle. Good thinking. False is right. Are stratus clouds or cirrus clouds found closer to the ground? Good job. Stratus works well. Which type of weather is usually associated with a cumulus cloud? Smart pick. Fair is correct. Water vapor, which helps create clouds, gets into the air by dash. Great thinking. Evaporation is right. Cumulus and cirrus clouds can signal what type of upcoming weather. You're right. Fair skies is correct. Which technology is not commonly used in forecasting weather today? Excellent. Divining rods is well-reasoned. Which type of cloud is associated with days of light, continual rain? Excellent choice. Stratus is right. Which type of cloud is layered and is spread out covering a large area? Bravo, stratus is the answer. When water vapor goes from a gas back to a liquid, this process is what? Well done. Condensation is right. What is the name for raindrops that freeze as they fall through the air? You chose sleet? Correct. Which of the following is an example of a cloud of vertical development? Right choice. Cumulonimbus cloud is best. Cirrus clouds are sometimes called mare's tail because it looks like a... Smart move. Horse's tail is accurate answer. What type of cloud forms at high altitudes and appears wispy and feathery? Nicely done. Cirrus is solid. Dirt and dust in the air that water condenses on to form a cloud is known as... Clear logic. Condensation nuclei is sound. Nimbostratus and cumulonimbus clouds can signal what type of upcoming weather? You got it. Rainy weather fits. Fog is the name for which type of cloud when it lies very close to the ground? Strong choice. Stratus is right. Rain, snow, sleet, and hail are all types of dasha, which comes from some clouds. Well picked. Precipitation is correct. These type of clouds are found highest in the atmosphere and contain ice crystals. Nice selection. Jiro is correct. When water vapor at the surface condenses and temperatures are above freezing, what forms? On track. Do is correct. Which cloud is grey and hazy that you would see on a very cloudy day, but does not indicate rain? Correct response. Stratus is accurate. They are highest clouds in the sky. They look curly, white, and feathery. Usually mean good weather. Perfect. Cirrus is the one. Choose the correct option. Bravo! Cirrus clouds is the answer. Low clouds that are thick, cover the sky, and block the sun. Usually bring continuous precipitation. Valid point. Stratus is true. These clouds are the closest to the ground. Their name means layer or sheet-like. They bring rain or snow and cover most of the sky. Well picked. Stratus is correct. This type of cloud is thick and puffy on top and generally flat on the bottom. It has well-defined edges and can change shape rapidly. Great job. Cumulus cloud is accurate.
What type of weather does this cloud bring?
You're right. Fair weather is correct. This type of cloud is thin, wispy, and made of ice crystals. Nice selection. Cirrus cloud is correct. Devon saw a cloud in the sky. He said that rain fell from the cloud, and that is looked like a blanket across the sky. What type of cloud did Devon see? Correct. Stratus is spot. This type of cloud is thin and flat, and the edges are not clearly defined. Good job. Stratus cloud works well. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? You chose contact Narayan Changder on Facebook. Correct?